Wait, what? Oh my god. I'm a glow stick.
Shrug, and then reach. 1. No question. What's going on? We are about to walk down 4 minutes, 2 minutes. She's out of time.
I'm about to play a show.
She's about to play a show. Charly Jordan just drove in from Fort Myers, got another show tonight, dealing with some upper back and neck pain. If you guys haven't, she's got a YouTube channel too. Go check it out.
Yes, I just have upper neck, shoulders, everything because I fly so much, play so many shows, and was on my laptop. So I'm hoping you can help me out with that.
And where's it hurting today?
In between my shoulder blades.
Like in here mostly?
Yes, and I just feel like my shoulders are always very like everything just goes
Roll
forward. So I just want everything to be back.
Open down. Okay, we can do that. I'm gonna press right there. Go ahead and look straight down. And back up, and down, and back up, and down. So right there. Is that where you feel a lot of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So bring your left ear down towards your left shoulder, and then back to center, and give me about 7 of those. How's that pressure?
Good.
Right there's tight, yeah. One more actually. Get that last one.
I literally can't.
Okay. Catch your breath there. Just want to get the side of your neck. So take a deep breath in and blow it all the way out. Good. How'd that one feel?
Good. Wow.
Okay, this one's gonna be a little lower. So drop your right shoulder. Good.
All right.
What are you feeling?
It feels good.
Okay.
Whew.
Let's get that shoulder blade too. That one's not too bad. Okay, this arm's gonna go in and out like that.
Okay.
And we're gonna hook right there. So move your arm and keep moving it. And then back in. And out. In. And out. And in. This one's not a sore?
It's about the same.
Same? Okay. There it goes. Alright. Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
For now?
My shoulders feel loose for the first time in a long time. Wow.
There we go.
Okay, what?
So go like this, give me a sassy up. Alright, pull that elbow back pretty hard. So you're gonna go like that and try to throw me off.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead. Nice.
Don't mind me, I just laugh when I'm in pain.
When things start popping. Okay, go ahead and pull. Good.
That one was easier.
Yeah. Yeah, solid there. Good. We'll go right to there. Big deep breath. There we go. Very good.
Sounded great.
Alright,
I
let's
feel
go
like
sit back up.
I'm a glow stick.
So I'm going to turn you just a little bit. So we're going to go right there. Bring your elbows down just a little bit and look up. Everything cracks.
I would literally be that person who like start like stress crying like from all the cracks being relieved.
Yep. Everything cracks so much. Squeeze really hard. Good. All right. Relax completely there.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
So you 4 times down with your hand down towards your foot. Shrug. And then reach. 1, 2.
Oh my god.
3.
Okay.
4. And 5.
He said 4.
Alright, last one. Come over here. And come back up. Again.
Okay.
Yeah, the right's way tighter.
Yeah.
Keep walking. Keep walking. And come back. We'll do 2 more. We're gonna go a little lower with your hands. I'm gonna go on top of you here.
Okay.
And look down this time. Good. Got all this out already. Alright.
Just a squeak.
Same thing this way. Just a squeak. Walk with your feet. Walk it like you talk it.
It's not on the skin.
Not the skin.
That felt great. We'll have to do that again when we have more time. But that was a perfect little speed round.
There you go.
I feel loose.
Posture feel better?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.